Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Kaspa. If we're looking at the daily time frame, we're seeing a lot of red across the board right now. A lot of altcoins right now are in red. And the reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin has plummeted below that massive level of support at 36,000. And, of course, that is going to affect the altcoins. But if we're seeing Kaspa right now, guys, it's up 8% on the daily time frame. What exactly is happening right now? We're going to discuss that and, of course, talk about what we could potentially be seeing happening next. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the markets, like I said, just look at the last 24 hours. We're seeing a lot of red in altcoins, but if you go on the top 35th spot, you can see Kaspa up a staggering 8%. So why is this happening right now? Looking at the price, almost approaching that 9 cents mark, up 12.3% in BTC comparative. Market cap currently sitting at $1.92 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $46.4 million. So let's take a further look at Kaspa, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting in the upcoming days ahead of us. So as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as of November the 14th, if we're looking at BTC, you guys can see Bitcoin price has gone below the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Most importantly, below this 36,200 support line. And you guys know the importance of this 36,200 support line. And of course, breaking below that, we will see, some massive moves towards the downside, especially if I were to bring out the hourly time frame, you will understand this better. But is this a time to worry? That might be the question that a lot of people have on their mind. But to be quite frank with you guys, this is not a time to worry, because remember, BTC is in a bull market. You will see these type of moves, in the cryptocurrency markets, especially when the market is heating up. Manipulation is occurring. Longs get liquidated, shorts get liquidated. This is an ongoing thing when you are trading. So basically, if you're looking at BTC, it has seen a significant drop. So from yesterday at 36,700, we've seen a 5% drop in BTC price, which is quite substantial. And obviously altcoins are going to react because of the correlation between them. So you can see majority of the altcoins are down right now, ranging between 5 to even 7%. So what exactly is next for Kaspa? That's something that you guys might be wondering, which we will discuss. Once again, for the dominance index, it's pulling down, which is quite rare during a dip like this for Bitcoin. And that is a positive thing for altcoins right now, because like I said in my previous update yesterday, that if the dominance was picking up, we would see altcoins bleeding even harder. But that's not the case. So, if you're an altcoin holder, you should be thanking the Bitcoin dominance index right now. But let's take a look at Kaspa, see what is happening. And of course, why is it pumping like this right now? So if we're looking at Kaspa, you guys can see, let me bring out the hourly time frame so you guys get the better visuals. Here, let's give it a refresh live. All right, so let's bear with me here. All right, so we did see the price of Kaspa. Of course, if you watched my previous update yesterday, we were sitting at this 8 cents mark. Pretty much that seemed to be like the bottom, because we have seen the price pick up quite fast. You can see this for yourself. We're back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and if you guys know the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I consider it the all-time high zone, and we're approaching that 9 cents mark very, very fast. If you picked up some Kaspa last night at this 8 cents mark, you are up right now about 13%. So momentum once again is building up. So what is causing this type of momentum coming into Kaspa right now? That is the question that a lot of people might have. Of course, there could be some news that we do not know about, insiders trading, but also there's something that a lot of people don't really understand: the futures trading, guys. Manipulation is a real thing that occurs in the crypto space. So, pretty much a project that's really hot right now. A lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are extremely bullish on that. When the market is plummeting, if you're looking at the entire market, literally 98% of the coins in the top 100 are on the red side of things. So you would expect that with Kaspa as well, because there's no significant news as of now that has come out. So what whales do is, because of course now people start piling up a lot of shorts, right? And once people start piling up shorts, whales will come out and pump up the price rather than shorting it, because that would liquidate all these shorts completely. And again, this is a perfect example as to why you do not want to be leverage and futures trading. Totally stay away from that. Manipulation will wipe out your trades completely. So if you are a follower on my channel, you guys know this is something I've spoken about from the beginning, that I don't want you guys leverage trading at all. But if we're looking at Kaspa right now, it has momentum once again. We could see more people, coming in, and, FOMO really coming into the price, because, guys, while the entire market is melting right now, we're seeing Kaspa pumping. So if anyone tries to short this, I think there will be once again a short squeeze leading up to possibly a new all-time high in the upcoming days if this continues. If more and more shorts pile up, I think it's going to continuously, have a short squeeze and pushing more towards its all-time high. So if we're bringing out the measuring tool right now, we're only about 10.7% away from an all-time high. Maybe possibly after this upload, we could even see that happening, especially if BTC starts seeing a bounce and goes back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, because that pretty much is where the price of Bitcoin should be in my books. But again, if Bitcoin were to see this type of drop, I'm totally okay with that. Bitcoin has seen a tremendous rally over the past 2 months, so you got to give it a break. It's up more than 100% on the yearly time frame, and that is a king of the market. So if we put all those factors into consideration, it really makes a lot of sense for Bitcoin to see a little bit of a pullback. And this is normal. I know a lot of newcomers coming into the space might get scared at this, but if you're holding Kaspa, I'm sure you guys are not scared at this point. I'm just talking about if you're holding any other altcoins, because Kaspa continuously is outpacing BTC right now. But this rally that's happening right now is a short squeeze, in my opinion. I'm very, very confident about that. And this short squeeze can cause the price to even go higher, if more and more people start shorting. So you guys can see there is resistance coming up in our way right now. If it's able to clear this resistance, guys, in the next few hours, I am very, very confident that Kaspa could be pushing up to 9.5 cents to possibly even an all-time high in the next few hours ahead of us. But of course, if Bitcoin sees a further pull down, then obviously Kaspa will react in the immediate short term. Of course, it will be bought back up quite quickly, just like we have seen back on November 9th as well as yesterday. So keep a very, very close eye on BTC. But if Bitcoin holds around this level, I'm expecting Kaspa to continue to push towards the upside, and we could see a 9.5 cents Kaspa to even potentially a new all-time high coming for it. So no news as of now. Of course, I think, as I've mentioned in my previous updates, I think the big exchanges already are aware of Kaspa. It's just a matter of time when they list this. But as of now, no official announcement, but that still gives you an understanding at the momentum this project really holds right now within the crypto space. But of course, we'll take it one step at a time, and I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace.